Paratha is Shami Kebab. What a beautiful paratha. A different tasting and a different paratha altogether. Hello friends, how are you all? Trust all of us are well. And now for the recipe. I'm using dinner leftover black gram curry which is about 100 grams, and I'm going to be blending this black gram curry where the curry has been separated, so only the black gram is taken and blended into a fine paste. This fine paste I'm going to be now mixing. So for the process of mixing, I'm dish loading it into another bowl. Once done, make sure that the gram is very fine paste. And now coriander leaves, fresh coriander, and a paste of garden fresh green chilies, 1 inch ginger. I'm using all the ingredients of Shami Kebab and natural salt, half teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon, or as per as your taste, you can take either. And turmeric powder, 1/5 teaspoon, or just a touch of it, a couple of pinches. And fresh cumin, half teaspoon, and coriander powder, again half teaspoon. All these are ingredients of Shami Kebab. And mango powder, 3/4 teaspoon. And wheat flour, that is 200 grams. Now this mix is more than enough for 10 parathas. Just a little stir because I'm going to be adding clarified butter, so just a little stir and mixed a little. And now to add, as I said, melted clarified butter, that is 10 ml. This is most important, also known as moon. This is most important. This helps in making the paratha soft and cooked from inside. And fresh mint leaves, 20 or so. This done knead into a dough, and a slightly tight dough. Again, and then set aside the dough, cover with a wet cloth and set aside. And roll them into balls, and then to flatten them. In the meantime, flatten the balls smear the surface of the paratha again with more clarified butter. Now roll them once again and make them thin. Now to light the flame. Our mix is ready. Our parathas are ready. Hot plate is ready. Now smear the hot plate with clarified butter and allow it to preheat. Once it is hot and fairly hot, load the paratha and fry as usual, flipping the sides, ensuring that both the sides are fairly well cooked and evenly cooked. And smear more butter, clarified butter that is. And remember, parathas are best cooked in clarified butter. Flip continuously, ensure that paratha is cooked on both the sides, and when it is crisp and brown, that is the time when the paratha is going to be ready. So till then, keep cooking, keep flipping, and when the aroma fills the air, the aroma of the spices, the aroma of the clarified butter. There, that's it. Beautiful, crisp, and very different tasting. Now to plate and serve. Serve with curd and jaggery as I always do, or with butter, pickle, or tea, or anything of your choice. This is how I do it. And remember to treat all your near, dear, known, unknown, loved, hated, adored, feared relatives, relations, friends, foes, cared, uncared, and your enemies also. Remember, that is most important. Do treat your enemies. Until we meet again with another video or a recipes, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time, friends. And as I always say, cook healthy, eat healthy, and live healthy.